Hello, it's Giorgio. Welcome to George Basics. In this video, I want to show you guys how to buy Yuang Coin on Trustwallet. So, first of all, I want to mention that this is not financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to do it. Go to CoinMarketCap and see the analytics of this coin and decide you want to buy or not. After you make the decision, then you can close it, go to Trustwallet and buy Ethereum, because you need to swap Ethereum to buy Yuang Coin. So, first of all, buy Ethereum by clicking buy, select the amount of money you want to pay and buy Ethereum. After you buy it, it should appear here. So after you buy Ethereum, then close Trustwallet, go to browser again. If you don't know how to open this page, just click search bar and type Yuang Coin and open it. Then you need to copy the contract address and close browser. Now go to Trustwallet, click the apps, scroll a little bit down and choose Uniswap. Go to Uniswap, then click select the token, paste the address we copied in the browser, import this coin, click import, choose the amount of this coin and swap your Ethereum to it. So this was all, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, you can click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.